Alright people, 2001 Lexus LS 430 window regulator. Customer complain window go down, but they go down slow, then it stop, then it don't want to go up again. They got to play with the switch for it to go down, go up. So I already installed a new one for the client. As you can see, the new one go right here. This is the driver door. Give me a moment, let me put the key in the ignition so you could see. Hey, it's down. There you go, down and go up. And go up and down again. Are you going down? Good. 2001 LS 430 window regulator. Your boy again. Fantastic auto repair. Need anything get done? Brakes, tune up, oil change, rotor, alternator, radiator, starter. 951-251-3410. Fantastic auto repair. Thank you.